You all realize that the West Indies, for the first 2 games of this ODI series against India, they committed the cardinal sin of failing to bat out the 50 overs. In fact, in 6 of the last 7 one-day internationals, the West Indies have failed to bat out the required overs. Yes. Now, aside from the sequence of previous shameless performances by the West Indies, this apparent disease preventing the West Indies batsmen from doing something as fundamental as batting out the required overs, it is easy to blame the batsmen directly. Say they're no good and they have no discipline and blah, blah, blah. But I think we're letting Coach Phil Simmons off the hook. How can we have a well-paid, full-time, professional coach who happened to be a batsman in his time, although him never good? yes. But in addition to Phil Simmons, we also have a full-time batting coach, a man from India named Monty Desai, charged with the responsibility of getting the West Indian batsmen to do something as basic as batting 50 overs, and them cannot do it. Yes. Then what purpose them serve? What purpose them serve? You hear me? Phil Simmons must go. Yes. And as for Monty Desai must fly. Yes, fly.